From Van Nuys to Arleta to NoHo, we cruise through commuter corridors and packed neighborhoods where brands get seen daily. Hey, the Valley, we ride heavy. LA, we out here. Hey, Santa Ana, we got you covered. We drive by malls, markets, and festivals, turning heads every step of the way. Just blocks from Disneyland, our trucks roll through tourist foot traffic and neighborhood hotspots. Yo, with our LED trucks, we hit all the hotspots in Ontario, ensuring your brand gets max visibility and exposure. Our trucks power through the 909, from retail centers to late night events. From Rancho to Fontana, we make it happen. Hey, Pico Rivera, we see you. We light up these growing communities, perfect for local impact and consistent impressions. We tap into the daily grind, from local businesses to the hustle of the 626. From Linwood to Huntington Park, we got you. Our trucks drive through culturally rich communities where the streets stay loud. So, this is how we do it. Every city, every block. You wanted visibility? Well, now you've got it.